Hey guys, Joe Winnington from Thinkaholics. We're here at Tahoe Dreamin'. I'm here with Amar Sandhu and Renee Berry from Kenandy. So Amar, what can you tell everybody about what you guys do?
Yeah, so Kenandy is a full end-to-end ERP built on the Salesforce platform for manufacturers and distributors. We do the full order-to-cash process, procurement to payment, financials, as well as production and planning.
Okay, so you mentioned you're targeting distributors, manufacturers. So essentially, right, you guys are coming in, doing the back office on Salesforce, right?
Correct.
So, why would someone want to use something like this as opposed to, some of the larger ERPs? Like, what are your strong points here of why someone wants to take a look?
Yeah. So, how often are people super excited about the ERP that they have, right? So we're running into that all the time, or people are used to dealing with the pain points of their ERP. And we've built a product that is really flexible to the needs of manufacturers and distributors, built natively on Salesforce, right? So there's that seamless user experience. We've got an amazing Salesforce platform, and we are flexible to what companies need. So instead of that traditional ERP where you have to sign up for something huge or something small when the needs of your business change in a month or in a year, we can flex to the needs of those companies in a way that we think is pretty differentiated in the market.
So I definitely see the draw, right? Someone has Salesforce or they're going to purchase Salesforce, having that native on platform, right? Which is a platform that is much easier to develop on, much easier to stand stuff up on. You need a lot less developers to really work with, right? So I see the power of, having the ERP tightly integrated with that. So in terms of customizing, the ERP, what kind of flexibility people have? What do you see people doing?
Yeah, so one of the things, as far as some people say, we've redefined ERP in this marketplace, because the way that ERP is typically made is you have a bunch of modules and tables, and the data isn't always consistent across all of those modules and data, and the applications have to talk to each other in a way that's not always consistent, right? We don't have modules. We can build to any business process that our customers need. And so we can map to what's working for customers right now, and we can flex those business processes as a company grows. So that is not something you find in ERP as like a standard thing, which we're pretty excited about.
So Omar, in terms of onboarding, right? Like some companies may have an ERP, some may not, right? Who are you guys focused on, and what does it take to migrate on?
Right, so right now we're focused on mid-market to small businesses, companies that are coming off of QuickBooks or any of those smaller ERPs. In terms of migrating, we've taken data from any sort of source, systems and put them into Kenandy itself today. Typically for bigger ERPs, it used to take 9 to 12 months. We can implement in 9 to 12 weeks with minimal, costs and all of that. So.
Okay. So in terms of, the features you guys have, like what they can leverage, right? Obviously it's helping them manage their books and billing and, invoicing and things like that. Do you guys, what about payment and things like that? Are you doing anything there?
Yeah, we have full global financials. Omar talks to our customers all the time, so he knows a lot of the stories about how much of a difference it makes to have access to that data across all of these different departments. But full end-to-end ERP built natively on Salesforce.
Okay. All right, so if people want to try this out and get a trial or at least engage you guys, what should they do?
Our website has a lot of great information, so we have a lot of simple areas to contact us, to read some of the white papers, some of our customer case stories. Nobody tells our story better than our customers that are super happy about the experience they've had with Kenandy.
Yep. And so they'd go to like Kenandy.com?
Yep. Kenandy.com. We have tons of resources there. We have a lot of team members with manufacturing expertise as well. So, if you're a Salesforce implementer and you're running into people that are, starting to deal with issues in manufacturing that are complex, our team can be there to support you as you go through that to figure out a solution for your customers.
Okay. All right. Well, guys, thanks so much for your time.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.